Let's simplify the rational expression n squared plus 2n minus 35 over n squared plus 11n plus 28. Okay, in order to do this, we need to factor the numerator and the denominator and see if we have any common factors in the top and bottom that can divide each other out, cancel out. Okay, so let's start off by factoring the top, n squared plus 2n minus 35. We're going to treat that as its own problem. We're going to do the same thing with n squared plus 11n plus 28. Okay, so in order to factor n squared plus 2n minus 35, I need to find two numbers that multiply together to be negative 35, but add together to be positive 2. Okay, and so I know that 7 times 5 is 35. And since it's a negative, we need it to multiply together to be a negative. We need to have a negative value. Okay, at least one of them has to be negative. So if we had negative 7 times 5 is negative 35. Negative 7 plus 5 is negative 2. That's not quite what we want. So we'll try maybe a negative 5 instead. 7 times negative 5 is negative 35. 7 plus negative 5 is a positive 2. So I know that these are my two numbers. So n squared plus 2n minus 35 factors as n plus 7, n minus 5. Okay? Remember, if there's no number besides 1 in front of n squared here, you can skip most of the steps of the AC method and get right to the final form. N plus 7 times n minus 5. Okay, that'll be on the numerator. Now, to figure out the denominator, what I need to do is factor n squared plus 11n plus 28. Okay, so the same thing is happening here. I need two numbers that multiply together to be 28, but add together to be 11. That would be what, 4 and 7. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 plus 7 is 11. So this will factor to be n plus 4, n plus 7. Okay, once it's written out, the rational expression is written out as a fraction of factored terms on the top and on the bottom, then we can easily say that n plus 7 divided by n plus 7 is 1 over 1, right? So really this becomes 1 times n minus 5, which is n minus 5, over n plus 4 times 1. That would be n plus 4. So the simplified form of the original fraction here, rational expression, is n minus 5 over n plus 4.